Now, we are going to add, but we're not going to use paper and pencil. What do you think we're going to use? Dominoes. My name is Alma Wright. I teach first and second grade at the Trotter School in the Roxbury section of Boston. We have multi-graded classes in the Trotter. 4 for me. Who can find 4 for me? Tashina.
Double 4.
Double 4? You want to come and get double 4? Can you come over and get double 4? All right. Now, how much is this domino worth?
8.
In this lesson, Ms. Wright uses dominoes as an aid to help students identify various combinations of numbers for a given sum.
I usually use a large set of dominoes that all the children can see because I want them sitting in a group so I can introduce the dominoes to them. We look at the dominoes as being 0, 0 plus 5. I'm looking at dominoes instead of teaching them number facts by using worksheets. Is that 4? You sure?
Yeah.
Take it out and let her count it so we'll know that it's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is 4. Now, any more dominoes on that floor that's 4? All right, we're going to let Andre. Is that 4?
A double 4.
It's double 4, but what Ms. Wright wants you to get?
A 4.
A 4. Can you find one that's just 4? Okay, Simon, you want to come over and help him? I want to hear what you're telling.
There's one in this row, and there's also one in this row.
Great. Now he's telling you what row to look in. All right. Okay, now let's look at this 4. How can we read this one? Andre?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're counting, but you're not telling me what you see here. Remember, we're adding. Now, Richard.
There's 1 on that and 3 on that.
And what
adds 4.
It adds 4. So we can say 1 plus 3. And how much does 1 plus 3 equal? All right, it's equal to 4. Is there any more down there? What is this one?
2 plus 2.
Okay, and what is this?
0 plus 4.
I think I'm just going to make 4 plus 0. What is that one?
4.
And what did I do?
0.
All right, now this time I'm going to change it. What did I?
You went 1 and 3. 3 plus 1.
What is it now?
1 plus 3.
All right. What if I turn my paper this way?
3 plus 1.
Okay.
Once Ms. Wright has familiarized her students with the dominoes, she divides the class into groups of 3. At each table sits a small set of dominoes. Working together, the children are given the task of finding a domino with a total of 5 dots.
Did you find 5?
Yes.
Excellent. Which one do you want to make?
5.
Which one? You're going to make 2 plus 3, 4 plus 1, or just 5?
5.
You going to make the 5? Okay, fine. I'll get stickers for you. I used first graders and second graders in groups. The groups should be so divided that you have one child in the group that really has accounting knowledge, that knows how to count, so that that child can work with the other children who might be having difficult counting.
You could trade this too. What are these do you want? 5 plus 0?
Children actually got a chance to trace a domino, divide it into 2 parts, and recreate the dominoes.
Make it right here, like that. Right
Okay, so how many on this side, Renee? And how many on this side? 0. So we have 5 plus 0. Now, can you write that on there for me? Can you write 5 plus 0? Okay.
Extending the lesson, Ms. Wright also asks her students to represent their combinations with number sentences.
can you make an equal sign?
That's right.
You know how to make an equal sign? Can you show him how to make an equal sign? And what's going to go on the other side of the equal sign? 5. Excellent. That's good teamwork. Can you make another one? Can you make another one? Okay. Let Renee make another one. All right, Renee. Okay.
One group of students has already solved the initial problem. Ms. Wright challenges them with a more difficult task. Find 3 dominoes that add up to a total of 8.
Okay, now come back and check it. All right? Okay, come here.
I need a 3. These are a 3.
Okay, now Miss Wright want to give you a problem. I know you've had a good time playing your game. I want you a problem. I want you to turn your dominoes over, and you are going to find 3 dominoes that will equal 8. You've got to count the dots on 3 dominoes, and it will equal to 8.
I need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you gonna make 8? Wait, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8. I made 8. I made it out of 3.
This was an open-ended lesson because most of the problems had more than one answer. For example, if I said to them, I want you to find 3 different dominoes that will equal to 5, children could have had 3 different answers for me. There was no one right answer. And this is really good because you were never saying to the child, you're wrong. You were always saying, okay, let's try this and see if it worked. All right, let me see you write that down. Where is it?
No, wait. I know.
What's missing there? What's missing?
I know.
What's missing? Tell me what's missing.
Plus.
A plus. All right. Okay, let Raimi make good. I like the way you're sharing. Let Raimi make the 2. What else we need?
Plus.
That is so nice. You'll let Ellis put the pluses in for you. 0 plus 2. You need a plus there?
Plus 0. Okay, 3. Look what I did.
Oh, what happened to the 3?
It's backwards.
Okay, yes.
Look what I did.
But Miss Wright wants you to look at them. 3.
0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3
Equals?
5.
Now, here's a hard one. Can you find 3 dominoes equal 5? Now, I'm going to go over and see what Robert wants. I'm coming back. You have those 3 dominoes for me?
Okay. Hey, look. 3 dominoes. Let's see. Let's count it up. Make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It was nice to see them really counting and saying, oh, I have too many, I need more, I don't have enough, I need to find a 1. In some cases, I found that the second graders were helping the first graders to really understand the concept. And this is good for cooperative learning. 5. Yep, 5, but shouldn't we put something in the middle there? Plus, excellent. 5 plus. Okay, can you write a plus? You need to be able to let the children work in the groups. You walk around, work with them in groups so that you know that they're understanding what you're doing. It's a lesson that doesn't need the teacher actually in front. The teacher actually is the person who's going around to facilitate what's going on at each group. What is 5 plus 5? 10. 10. So you put the 10 there?
One, half, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next to you.
You got it now? You have it? Let's see. Put it down here. Let's count. All right, let's see. Was it hard? You think you can do another one? Huh? Think you can do another one? What about 9? Richard, you going to help her? 9. You're going to use 3 dominoes to find. That will equal 9. What do you have? Tell me what you have there. You have 8? So how many more you need to make 9? This lesson is successful because the children are actually finding the answers. It's not because I was writing it on the board or writing it on the overhead. They actually were doing the writing, they were designing, they were counting. It was actually the child generating the answer, the child deciding whether it was a wrong or right answer.
How could this lesson be extended to further develop whole number concepts? How did multi-age grouping play a part in this lesson? What techniques does Ms. Wright use to adapt the lesson for individual groups?